This is real-time weather. This is real-time traffic on an iPad here at the pre-flight booth at Oshkosh. And you can see the air show is going on right now, so there's no traffic right over the runway. But all the aircraft you can see being diverted around the site. Very exciting. Our transmitters are arriving this afternoon, and we'll show that on there real soon.